I mostly walk and also bike as well to work. Yeah, I basically do what I help others to do as well. My name is Saucedo Andrade, and my job title is Transportation Planner. Primarily, transportation planners help improve mobility and be able to get people around the city through various means, whether it be bicycle, walking, taking the bus, or the light rail. A typical day for me would be working in the office, but also going to meetings, discussing different transportation plans with engineers, other city planners, city officials as well, and the community. So you're involved in getting the feedback from the community as well. At first, my intention was to go into architecture. So I went to architecture school in undergrad. I love drawing, so that's where my artistic skills come from. And from that, in architecture, you start helping out people get homes, but then decided that I wanted to help out a greater number of people. So that's where the change from architecture to city planning came about. Just helping people improve their mobility throughout the city without needing a car. I mean, I'm always learning new things. I'm always speaking to my colleagues on how could I improve this project based on what they've learned before. And it's always fun doing that in my job. The most challenging part of my job would be creating consensus through the community, because some community members might have a different view of the plan versus the other. So trying to get a consensus and a middle ground to agree upon that plan is a little bit challenging. People who are visionaries, also goal-oriented, making sure that the goals for the city are accomplished in a timely manner. Also, time management and organization skills are very crucial. Making sure that the project is going smoothly and on time to make sure that you're bringing that plan to the community and the city for a plan adoption. Since I'm very goal-oriented, my next goal would be to get and achieve my master's degree. Eventually, I do see myself working in city planning